So here we are.
Can we go to the runaway train? Hurry up.
It's raining and it is pretty dead here. There's like no queue times for most of the stuff.
It's less than 6,000.
It's very surprising. I can't believe how much different it is from one day to the next.
Did you go on Spider?
Yeah.
Good. How long did you have to wait? Like 20 minutes.
Yeah, it wasn't
Are
too
you
bad.
doing a YouTube vlog?
Well, we were just saying we can't believe how different it is. One day, what a difference it makes.
Mine train's now 5 minutes.
Yeah.
So we're gonna go.
We've been on 13 3 times, just going round and round and round. We're now going to go on spinball whizzer at home.
No, we want to go on the
Can we
train.
go down there?
You want to go on spinball whizzer? I don't even know what that is, but yeah. if
It's
you
like
want to.
Dragon's Fury. Potato.
Okay. Scuffed out really nice. You can move it around with buttons there, so like I can do that and it stays stable. If you look at the screen. Walk around with it. Yeah, it's, fly off. The only one where they said no to phones, talking about oh, nice. It's better than third toe, I suppose. Yeah. You're one step up.
Oh yeah. You watch, you won't see anybody in the river rapids when we go through.
Not me, hopefully. I got soaked.
Did you go on yesterday then?
Yeah, first one I
Did
think.
you get soaked?
I did. We went with another family and the guy was going, I hate coming on this, I always get soaked. And he was very happy because I was the one who got soaked that time, so there you go.
We went on the pirate boat first, they go on the one.
Yeah.
I hate roller coasters when it's raining and it gets in your face.
Yeah, it's like the dragon, I suppose, Legoland.
Yeah, that's right.
Oh, well, that was a hat going. What's that? Excellent. Yeah. That's the train track, is it there? Oh, right, okay.
Yeah, it's the
That's not.
monorail.
Oh, yeah, we were on top of a cliff.
Oh, right, I realised it's still covered. Oh, there.
Oh, yeah, oh, there you go.
They're not even lifting it up.
Not on that bit.
Oh, no. We're not even turning. And now we are. Oh, not really. You want us to get wet, don't you? Yeah. We didn't get wet. No. We got wet. We didn't get wet. I got wet. Oh, we must get wet in the train.
Water on the crash.
No, I took that and in the back. Why did it get wet? I'm not checking that.
Are we going to bump?
It's probably...
Oh.
What? I'm not even wet. Oh, big wave. It's definitely a lot faster than yesterday. Oh, yeah. Why are we getting wet this time? Because it's windy. Please tell me why again. No. Why? We're going on the Wicker Man. I'm really so hungry. But I'm going to eat
Yeah, we've got
Can you eat
stuff
the
that
Wicker Man?
later. No, you can't eat the Wicker Man.
What if it's edible?
Wicker Man won't like being eaten.
Oh, photo! Photo! We need a good photo for photo.
Yeah.
Make it free. Right, get ready for photo. Come on! Right, turn those.
Come on. There.
I think we turn it to that. I like this. Waterfalls! I'm like, yeah, these used to be waterfalls. It's such a shame.
No, it came out from the top. Came out from the top both sides.
I told you yesterday. Did you get really well?
Yeah, because you know there's both coming from both sides.
Wow, we are going fast, aren't we?
Yeah.
Oh.
Did it get wet? Oh, look at that over there.
Yeah, well, it's right in front of us here.
Just say you will die on my side. Wait, sorry, I
Oh.
can't. No whippy, no Wicker Man. Oh, get wet!